All right, so Nikki, tell me what happened here.
Well, I went out one night to see my friend,
Okay.
and I started up the truck, and then I heard a very, very unusual, like, grinding sound, almost like you had a coffee grinder or a blender going, and I never heard it before. So I figured, all right, maybe if I drive a bit, it'll go away. So I made it up the hill from my house, and the sound was still there. So I pulled over to the side, and I opened up the hood, and of course, with the motor running, I really couldn't pinpoint exactly where it was coming from. So I had reached my destination. I parked my truck. I shut off the ignition, and the sound was still coming. And then when I opened up the hood, I heard that sound coming from this part over here. Now, I knew for this thing to be still running, that it was going to be drawing current from the battery. So I figured 4 hours later, when we got out from where we were, I wasn't going to have a car. It wouldn't start because this thing would have drained the battery dry. So I canceled my excursion with my friends, and I drove home. And then when I got home, I went on the computer, and I went on the S10 forum, and I found out that more than likely the part has to do with the anti-lock braking system. And in order for me to stop this thing from running, I had to open up the fuse box and pull the fuse. Once I pulled the fuse, the sound stopped, which means this thing wasn't working no more. However, this thing controls the anti-lock braking system. So instead of having anti-lock brakes, I just had mechanical brakes. So I figured out in order for me to get this thing back to where it was, this was the part that needed to be replaced. So we ordered it online, and we're going to install it. And if we put in the fuse with the ignition off and this thing isn't running anymore, I would say we fixed the problem. Then we just have to clear the codes and go back to life as we once knew it with this truck.